Honorable members, I wish to convey to the House that during the recess on 18 May 2026, I received a request from the Honorable Member for Kiharu, Honorable Ndindi Nyoro, CBS MP, a request to reconvene the House to discuss the issue of rising fuel prices. Notably, the request from the Honorable Member went to media houses before it reached the Honorable Speaker. I found that strange because communication between members and the Speaker ought to be privileged and can go to the media only after the Speaker has received your communication. Nevertheless, I directed the clerk to respond to the Honorable Member for Kiharu and guide him on the applicable procedure. As Honorable members are aware, Standing Order 29 requires any member desirous of convening a special sitting of the House to engage the leadership of their party or coalition to submit a request for the consideration of the Speaker. Additionally, all members must be given at least 3 days' notice of any request to convene a special sitting of the House, which ordinarily excludes the proposed day of the sitting. So any one of you members who wants at any time to ask the Speaker to convene a special sitting, you go to your leader in the House. If you are on the left side, you go to Junet. If you are on the right side, you go to Ichungwa and request him to make the requisition and request for you. That's what your standing orders say. In this regard, accepting the honorable members and procedural request would have led to his proposed special sitting being held yesterday or today, a day on which the House was scheduled to resume its sittings as per the approved calendar. This rendered the question of special sitting moot or simply academic. Honorable members, it is my view that the issue of rising fuel costs may only be addressed through concerted, objective, and cross-cutting efforts across all players, including the national government, the legislature, and our private sector. Isolated and subjective utterances are unhelpful at this time and only serve to politicize a matter that is of critical concern to our economy and the welfare of all Kenyans. Cognizant of several prior requests received from the honorable members to prioritize debate on the subject upon resumption of the sittings of the House, I have approved a motion on the matter for consideration by the House during this afternoon sitting, even as other efforts by all players to address the issue continue. Allow me, members, to mention that I also received a request in the same defective procedure from Member Wandeto, who also asked me, like Ndindi Nyoro, to unprocedurally call the House. In conclusion, honorable members, the timely consideration of the critical House business that I have highlighted calls for your utmost dedication. I therefore urge each member to rise to the occasion so that together we deliver on the legislative mandate of this House in line with the Constitution. This House is informed accordingly.